Okay, so last night tried again, and as you know, that still ran into that problem. So what I did this afternoon after is I basically did two things. I brought down the code from the repository. This is the Polkadot repository you're seeing on the screen right here, and if we go into it, into packages. Let's see, apps. I think this is it. Source. Let's see if it's in here. I think there was something with contracts, or was it apps contracts? Packages, page contracts. So if you look here, this is where I think the code may be, yeah. And I'm gonna have to, this would take some time to go through it, and I'm just curious about this code, what it looks like. Interesting. What import type? This looks like React.js, JavaScript, something. So, in the meanwhile, what I did is I put in a report. Apparently there was a problem like this, but then it says it was closed. So I posted a comment to that, and I took screenshots of the issue. And I think the best way to try to sort this out is maybe bring this code in and start doing some searches on the text that is, where the problem may potentially be, and then see if I could see what it requires to become active. It could be a bug still. They changed this code. Let me see if it shows here. Contracts. So this was changed. So they've been changing stuff. This is actively being developed. Actively being developed. So what that means is it's possible, because as you recall, again, the other week, the Flipper contract went on just fine. It was perfectly happy to go on and start flipping around. And now, same exact error I'm getting with the more complex contract. Same exact error. So clearly, there's something that changed here. And I am, I'm very curious to get this thing working. Like I said, I went so far as to bring the project down, build it. If you're familiar with Node.js and similar things, it wasn't an NPM, it was a yarn, because sometimes they use yarn rather than NPM. It was a yarn call that they specify in the documentation. Let's see where they specify that. There was some way they were specifying it. So, at any rate, I was able to get that to get it down, get it up running as a development version, but same exact problem. Now this is very interesting. They have a desktop app. So what I may attempt to do is go get this and we may take it. I think that might be another thing to try. Take that, bring this thing down, and try to see if we can get that working. Let's see. They have an electron apps electron. So this may be something that we want to do. So probably in the next few days, I'm going to see if I can get this thing down and get it running. Hopefully they give overview, similar contributions, Docker. Let's see. And so anyway, we are moving along, trying to get that contract on that little blockchain there, and I think this has become kind of an interesting challenge. But hopefully, you're learning something, seeing how I'm going about trying to resolve this issue. Anyway, hope this has been helpful, and if it is, please give me a like. If you want to see more, then please ring the bell and subscribe, and I will speak to you next time.